I want to extend this demo now so that this message flow up here will actually put a message out to an MQ queue as well. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to, in this demo, show you how to create a queue manager on IBM Cloud. I'm now going to create a queue manager inside the IBM Cloud. If you haven't got a service yet, you need to create an MQ service in the IBM Cloud. I've already got a service called MQ-UK. You can see I've got the current queue manager running. I'm going to create a new queue manager. I'm going to call it QM2. I'm going to pick the light plan. You can see I've got 10,000 messages per month at the moment I can use for that. I'm going to create it. This confirmation. Continue. This will spin for a few minutes, and when the queue manager is ready, it will show you a green tick mark. We're just waiting a second for this QM2 to go into a running state. As you can see, it's still deploying. Usually it takes a few minutes to do that. So queue manager 2 is in a running state now. I need to make sure I've got user credentials. To create new user credentials, add your email address. It'll generate the administrator username for you. I'm not going to do this now since I've already got one. I'm going to use the AVDM1 as an administrator role in here. You also need to create application credentials. I'm going to add one. Application display name, Demo4, description, gives you application name, add and generate an API name. Very important here, this is your unique password and it's non-recoverable. If you lose this API key, you'll have to reset it. Please note that you will only have one chance to download this information, and you need to save it. I'm going to download it, open with Notepad, and there's my information. I can go back to my queue managers. When I click on QM2, it shows me the information relevant to my queue manager. What I can do from this page, I can look at my connection information. I say give this to me in plain text. Open with Notepad. Okay. And that is my queue manager information that I need for most of my connections. I would typically go back in, grab this information that I've downloaded from the key, and add it to the bottom of this. Save it. When I go to administration, there's more than one way to administer this MQ. I'm going to start with the MQ console, launch MQ console, and I'm going to look at how to manage this queue manager. You can see I've got a few default queues in here. I'm just going to use dev.queue.1 as the queue where I'm going to put some data in. From a communication point of view, I've got my listener running. And there's my cloud admin channel and my application channel sitting here.